Look at you. So you came back to this village. You couldn't even ask of me.
You know I can't do such thing.
Okay,
I came back yesterday and I was so tired. So I said today I must come. I was even going to your house before I saw you. Chima.
Hey, Dikeh.
You are not looking back. You are not looking back. You are not looking back. What do you expect them to do now? You vow not to leave this village now.
Peso.
Enter the motor, let's go somewhere and chill out.
Where are we going?
No, enter the motor now. I will take
you. No, now, what I take now is...
Don't take the one that will push you. Let's go. Enter the car.
Let's go.
In terms of that marriage that Mama said, do you have anybody in mind?
Yes, I do. He's very handsome. Although I'm still trying to see if he has the quality of a... Don't worry. You know, don't worry.
Okay. I'm happy for you. Very happy.
So what about you? Ayana, tell me.
I'm still hoping and search, you know.
Don't worry. God will answer your prayer.
He will so come. Check your page, Viko.
Don't worry. Don't make it down.
Make sure you people come back early. Don't go there and be doing cho. You see this fish, we need to finish selling it today.
Shake the fish, okay?
I'm coming, Nana.
No.
Alright.
No, I'm hungry and I was looking for food. Yes. What are you doing?
I'm making up for the prince.
Which prince?
Our prince now.
Wait. Is it the prince of this kingdom or the prince of another kingdom? Or the prince of another kingdom?
But I cannot do that. Our own prince now. Prince Ejike.
Prince Ejike?
Yes.
Hey! So wait, you actually making up this nonsense so that you will seduce the prince of this kingdom? Hey! So you think that the prince of this kingdom, city prince Saibonye city, you don't look at you. Don't you know he has a lot of city girls in the city? You want to... Nah, I always think something that is possible now.
But there's nothing is not possible in this life. You not to imagine a guy.
Can a barrel pusher build a mansion? Why will you get out of this place? You're going to have a barrel mansion.
But it take me 1 week to learn this makeup. Now you just making everything together.
Which one is this one?
No, my girlfriend said it's blush. Blush, that's what they call it.
Wait. Oh.
Wow, Papa. Papa Danana ya kuwasia. Wow, Papa. Wow, Papa. Papa Danana ya kuwasia. Wow, Papa. Hey, I can't get that, Maka. Chi sweet wine. I never put a repose. Hey! Kitaga. Ebe u papa. Uwa u papa. Papa dana na ya kuasia. Uwa u papa.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I was going to your house because of the incident that happened 2 days ago.
Did you put one again?
Are you asking me? I saw your daughter with a gun and someone's goat.
Oh, that's one. It has been settled.
Really? Well, always advise your daughter to control her temper.
That's right. I will. Oh,
So
I'm running late to work. Let me quickly go to work.
Okay,
I will see when I come back.
So I don't know.
Wambede kama, wambede amaka, wambede truly. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Oh, you look wonderful now. Cook at the I see after wine. Hi, nah. Wambede amaka, wambede amaka, wambede dima, wambede dima. I've made sales this evening, no. Kegu like this. Anna.
Chichi yourself.
My guy.
Why I not can see you again now?
See, you know this my palm wine is Chichi special palm wine. So on my way coming out today, I saw some guys seated under one tree. They just called me Chichi sweet palm wine. So immediately I served the first person or Toya differently. Or what the other guy, you know, they all patronized me and my palm wine got finished. I had to quickly call Okonkwo, the person that usually supply my palm wine for me, to bring more. That's why I'm doing one with it. If not, let's go cover everything.
That's every year good now.
Yes. So how much?
Just give me your test first, you understand? I know say your permit they good though, but my just test now. You know how they be now.
I don't understand you, okay? Okay, you started again. Each time you see me, you be asking for test. After testing now, you tell me you have emergency. They are calling you there. They are calling you there. I will not take that. Oh, if you know you're not willing to buy my Chichi special sweet palm wine, go.
What I go buy my your test first.
Okay. You test finish, you know by today. Wahala go dey.
Make I just test first.
Because
This one.
oh yeah, bring your money.
But this one you not can get you. I not can understand.
I don't get you. Here no be beer parlor.
Give me 100 naira.
They bring that money. They bring that money. No say this cup now. If I full am na 200 because I'm quadro. I want that full cup is 200, so half. But I gave you the one I gave to you is more than half, safe. But because you're my wild customer, I want to treat you. I know you will love it. Is it not Chichi special palm wine? My cuckoo lamb. Let me just keep it. Thank you. I know it must be your father that sent you.
Yes, you have to.
How much?
200.
Okay. Hey, you've grown, oh. See small girl of yesterday. You're a pretty girl, oh. My regards to your father. Tell him that I'll bring 1 cup of palmy for him tomorrow, free of charge. You know he's my good customer.
Who is there?
Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for the prince.
How can the prince ask you to come? For what?
But he asked me to come.
For what?
Yes, ma'am. Just tell the prince that Chichi sweet palm wine is here to see.
Someone is at the gate looking for you. Who is the person?
The lady must come from one.
Okay. Let her in.
Okay, my prince.
Yes, I'll keep it there.
Keep it here.
Security, I'll keep it there. Greetings. My prince is very fresh and sweet.
Let me taste it.
Chichi sweet and wine. Very fresh.
It's fresh indeed.
I told you now. That's why they call me Chichi sweet palm wine. Popular demand. If it's not this palm wine, you're not drinking palm wine.
I see.
So that is it.
Sit.
You see, I didn't hear you.
I said you should sit beside me.
My prince, I don't want to see it.
Why? Am I smelling or what?
No, my prince, it's not like you're smelling. This is the 1 gallon you asked for. I have to go and sell my palm. Now that you've bought this one now, to supply me more because my customers will be waiting. I have to go. Oh?
God.
Yes, my prince.
My son.
Father.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see a friend, father.
A friend? Does he have a name?
What kind of question is that?
I want to know. Or you go with a guard.
Father, I don't want to go with anyone. It's confidential. I beg to be married, father.
My prince, wait. I didn't hear you well. What do you say?
The way you're sounding, is there anything wrong with seeing her?
Ha! My prince, everything is wrong. Prince, that is why I'm your PA, special advisor. Let me tell you, that girl don't have atom of respect. That girl will treat you like a commoner. And let me tell you, that girl, she's a fighter. She used to fight everybody around her. No matter that I used to beat her, you know, name and name, we walk. But let me tell you, my prince, that girl, happen that girl for now, it's not your class.
Is that all?
Ha! Prince, it's like you have tested this girl, when you go do something. I'm telling you that this girl is not your class.
Chima, all I want from you is her address. You are not the one going there to see her. I am old enough to know what I want. I am no longer a child.
But my prince, with due respect, my prince, that is why I'm your special advisor in this government house. We are together. I'm your PA.
Special advisor?
Yes, my princess.
Give me her address.
My prince, I don't know. Give me 7 days of quarantine. Let me go and check if I will give you the address, because that girl is not your class. Besides, she's a fighter. She doesn't have respect.
Chima.
I'm here, my prince.
I want her to fight me. Okay? I want to see the fight myself.
The address is not a problem. And she used to shoot gun.
Gone.
And you know he not to tell Bojo. You know you can't fear for Africa.
I want her to shoot me. I want to be shot.
So it's again, Prince.
Is it your die? Allow me to die my die.
Oh, my Prince, you will die.
Allow me to die my die.
You will die.
Chima, it's not your die. I'm the one going to die, not you. At least you'll be there to bury me. Eh?
Prince, how did you get here? Who showed you my house?
One question at a time. Actually, I came to give you money for your palm wine.
Thank you.
I also want to be your friend.
I'm sorry, I can't make friends with you. Please, you have to start going.
Wait, let me get it. Is it because I asked you to sit with me? That's why you are acting like this?
Prince, listen. You're royalty and I'm nobody. As a matter of fact, I'm daughter of nobody. I do not want to have anything to do with royalty. Biko, I want you to leave, please.
Listen, let me tell you. I've been to so many places. Yes. Mingle with the rich, the average, and the poor. And I treat all equal. Regardless, I'm a prince. Yes, I treat everybody equal. Please, I'm here for peace and not cause trouble.
Please, I have peace already. It's what we don't achieve. So what I want from you right now is to leave this compound. Biko, leave. I do not want any trouble. Biko.
What is wrong with you?
Prince, is it because I decided to come out without my gun? I can storm in and bring it out. Oh. I don't want to be disrespectful. Biko, go. Don't make me push you. I try to make it violent. Please, I beg you. Get back, Lydia. Thank you.
What kind of a girl is this? She's too difficult. Too pretty to be hard to people.
Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Not a child, not a child. She is going away. She's going away.
My Prince, I told you that girl is the man in the woman form. Have you seen it? I even told you that she even has a gun. You told me, is it your death? I want to die. Have you seen it now?
Chima, did she shoot me? No. See, let me tell you, girl with that kind of character is the kind of girl we need as a queen in this village.
Objection, my lord. I hate her. She can never be the queen of this village.
Chima, I don't know anything about strong ladies. Yes. So whenever I'm talking, if you don't know what to say, just be calm with your small brain.
Now, because of that, ordinary Muluka or wine seller, I'm now a bad. So why do you stick with me as your special advisor there? To you.
Yes, because when I'm thinking, you'll be thinking me. You understand? We can't have two captains. Since I'm a captain, I can't employ another captain to be in my office. You understand? So when I'm high, since your brain is too small, you are low. When you combine the both of them, it's a balance.
Yes, so why, since you know that I'm low, why every early morning you used to shake your low BP?
Please, I want you to talk to the prince for me, so that he will love me. You know you are his PA now.
See, let me tell you, in everything they do in this world, they have shortcuts. So let me tell you, even in the Bible, Habakkuk 2:2 said, before you see God, you must come through the PA, which is Jesus. And who am I? I'm the PA to life Jesus in this village, which is the prince. So you have to settle me.
I know. That's why I've called you here.
Let me tell you, you must settle me. You have to give me something to entice me, because you know, prince.
I have 500 naira here. When you are going, I'll balance you.
Is it your time of night?
You're not done with work and you want to collect
See,
money.
let me tell you.
This one first.
See, I like full time. If you want to buy me, you buy me wholesale. Why are you giving me 500 now? I don't understand.
Take this one first now.
I beg, I don't want this one.
You have started the game. Take it, I beg.
See, let me tell you. See, let me just use this one and buy car. Because I'm going to call Prince.
Thank you very much.
So when am I getting the balance?
When you are done with that now.
In the morning is even sounding like Kanta.
I beg. I'll see you later.
I don't condemn. Nalu, Odia. Okay. Odia.
Emeka.
It's like both of you are you going to fetch water or you're coming back?
We are going to fetch water.
Biauzoma, didn't you see me?
Please. I don't have your time today. Greetings not by force. Let's go. Let's go.
Uzoma, so you don't have respect for me. I don't blame you, Atarangi, because you saw me pushing truck. I don't condemn. Odia, I don't condemn.
Manum. How far now? I was even on my way coming to your place. About the TV now, the content TV is here, and you said you would.
No. Hey, my brother, you are poorer than me. I don't do things with poor people like you. I do things with people like Twinchi on IG, Dankote, Ibeto you, or the Nakoju. Twinchi are the one Instagram.
Why are you insulting me now?
You're a poor man.
I'm a poor man.
Yes, I'm just keeping you for keeping sake.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
Are you not selling Abakoro Timbo? Are you now a new seller?
Wait, the prince is in love with Chinagoro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for now, Abakoro Timbo Kirele. How do you know?
It's everywhere in the village. All mouths are saying it. Go to Chike's barbering salon. Go and sit down there. Everybody are saying it.
Hey! So you are like this?
My concern is, you know, I'm a very good citizen of this village. Because Chinagoro.
If I'm looking at you in our class, let me tell you, you look like unisex. Or the cable homo. Yeah,
you are insulting. Let me show you what a unisex can do. Hey, Chef,
do you know me?
She's fine. Do you know me? Yakwano, Aya. Akiko. I will deal with you.
Okay.
Come close. Brother.
That's right.
Brother, I will show you a lesson.
Ah!
Hey! Take it.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Usha!
Adamada.
I will show you. Let me take it out. Down. You say come.
Okay. I will
show you.
You're my friend. See that?
Oh, I'm your friend.
That television. Come and take it.
I'll come and take it.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Please, no, I don't want to. Sing your name, sis. I don't want to take your shit. You know you have body odor. So you like that.
Mama, let her go with your back.
What wrong did I ever do to you that you want to kill me before my age?
Mama, how?
Don't you ever cut me short again when I'm talking to you. We are not mates, Monaga, bro. So you have told the prince that I'm your mother already?
Eh? I can't even explain why you're vibrating. I didn't have a lengthy conversation with the prince. Moreover, I've been asking you since. Did I not ask you the connection you have with the palace? Mama, did I not ask you what you have to do with the royalty? Ipa, you didn't want to tell me. So why are you blaming me now? Why are you blaming me?
Tinagrom, you're playing with fire. From the way you're trading, you are playing with fire. And it will burn your hands. It will burn off your fingers. Makana ase, okore toru he toru, juba ihe buru naya, ife buru naya, boya. That adage says that if a child yet to grow into a full-grown person begins to find out what kills the father, what killed the father, that same thing that killed the father will kill the child. Don't say I did not warn you.
Mama, please, I want to go and cook. Oh?
But be careful, oh. Be careful. A word is enough for the wise.
Bro, sis.
Sis.
Yes, bro.
There is something bothering me.
This is when you came to my room today. Tell me, what is it?
Yes, I want to tell you something. There is something bothering me for some days now.
Bothering you?
Yes, and I want to know if you can help me.
Sure, why not? Anything you want me to help you do, so long as within my power, I'll help you.
Do you know the girl that sells palm wine?
In this village?
Yes.
The girl that sells palm wine? No, you know, I don't go out, so I hardly know people.
Okay. Never mind, sis. Never mind.
Just that? The girl that sells palm wine. Why would my brother want a girl that sells palm wine? Come on, bro. Let this not be what I'm thinking.
Babe, I've been asking for something and you refuse to do it for me. It's not fair.
Remind me, what is it?
Are you insulting me? I told you to arrange your brother for me now. You're just acting. This thing you're doing is not fair. It's really real. You know I like him. In fact, I love him. Eh?
Look at what is coming out of your mouth. I should help you arrange my brother. Why not you go and meet him yourself? Go to him, express your feelings. Tell him you love him. How you want to walk on the street with him. Why not do it yourself?
But you know that one is so hard now. I don't even know how to cover. I don't even know how to go and meet him and start telling him, I love you, this one, this one. You're his brother, you're his sister now. You know, you should know how to like convince him, talk to him, you know. Please don't even say that.
I would have loved to, but my brother is so stubborn. He's a very stubborn human.
I know, but that's the kind of man I want in my life. Me too, I'm stubborn. I need stubborn man.
It's okay. See what's going to happen. It's not a guarantee.
Okay.
But I'll try my best to talk to him and see how he reacts to it. It's not a guarantee.
Thank you so much.
Don't just get excited yet.
Okay, now I can rest. Let me just take. Hey, I can't be getting you.
Can we discuss of something else and leave my brother out of this?
No problem, no problem. I'm okay now. Like, I'm very happy. You can go ahead whatever you want to say.
Hey, it's a love.
I'm sorry for what happened previously.
So your sister have the guts to insult me?
No, it's not like that. She doesn't know that we have something in common. How do you mean she knew? She would have respected you.
Oh, if she knew. If she knew, I don't blame her. No, it's because it's me. Emeka Neligo, Emeka young condemn.
Make not like that. Don't say like that, okay? Don't make it.
Kuzoma.
You make it, oh? Don't worry. Sorry.
Hey, brother, I want to quickly go and buy pepper. The food is on the fire.
Okay, the food is on fire.
Yes, it's on fire.
Okay, please hurry up.
Okay, right.
Alright.
Next the angry.
I'm really angry. Really angry.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Have you eaten? Yes. My sister's already making food. Can't you perceive the aroma?
Oh, don't worry, just finish eating. Next time I'll eat, okay?
Go and help me check the food because my mother might eat. Please check whether the food is on. Okay.
She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble. If you find the trouble, not double. She know the fear, she know they see anybody where they come. No fighter, ever ready to give you trouble. If you find the trouble, now wahala. You ready to find out? She go find you. Who ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know that keep quiet, yo. She gave by her right to you.
Chinagoro. Hey, get up. Let's go to the room. Will you sleep here?
Mama, am I sleeping?
You were awake. All the mosquitoes here now, you start complaining of malaria. Please, let's go inside. The room is splitted.
If I cry you want, she go give you cry. I buy down, make you day, give her space, go give you space.
Son, I called you out here because I didn't want to disturb you yesterday. From my forefathers to my father, none has ever been caught marrying to a low life.
Father, why are you saying all this?
Because I've seen the way you are playing and behaving around that girl.
Please, can we forget about this?
No, I can't forget it. I don't want you to bring shame to this royal family.
Father, you know I've not thought about this for once. But the way you are going about it,
I am not going about it anyway.
Father, please forget it. Can't I have a say in this house?
Stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. Well, I am alive. I'll be watching. I'll be with you, sir.
The prince is foreign for Shinagolo.
How do you mean?
As the personal assistant to the government house, like prince, I'm enough. See, let me tell you, you better do anything to get the prince. Because I know once you can seduce the prince. Me, as the HIV to the prince, no, SSF and PA to the prince. You know I have share. So we'll do anything. And all the okay, Chinagoromna is selling palm wine. You start selling juice.
So are you trying to tell me that you couldn't even handle common single task? Did not do what I asked you to do? Eh? Is that what you are trying to tell me?
That is your problem. That is the advice I'm giving to you. And mind the way you talk to me, have mono to the prince. Start selling juice. Because all the corner like money. And another thing I say, woman, you do your best. freaky, you do your best. Try and improve. I like a picker. Your place is add phone, do anything, do a book. Like
it's okay. Don't worry. I'll do it myself. I know what to do.
Do you know where they do nyash pumping?
So what are you trying to say now?
It's not that your nyash is small, but
I said I'll do it myself. Don't worry. Ordinary small tasks like this, you cannot run it. It's okay. I'll do it myself.
It's not that I cannot run it. I'm a shifter. I have more loan to the prince.
It's okay.
So you mind the way you talk to me too. Okay.
Who is this girl everybody's against? Who is she? I want to know. I must know.
This is the last bus stop. For your fresh, sweet palm wine. This is your last bus stop. Hope you're not making tea. You're not making tea. In our lack of happiness, this is it. This is the only drink that will make your heart to jollificate. And I
want to tell you something. What is it? I think I'm in love with the prince.
What are you talking about? Which prince?
Our prince. I said I love him.
See, I don't know what is wrong with every girl in this community. Why is everyone just falling in love with the prince?
Every girl.
Yes, every girl. Who is in love with him? Oh, you don't know? Chinagoromna.
Hey! My friend! Hey! Hey, my friend! There you go. How are you now? Thank you, Jare. I am fine. I've come to share good news.
We are friends.
You will not believe. Can you imagine that the prince is in love with me? Hey! I cannot believe it. What is that one? Come off it, Jare. I'm saying the prince is in love with me. You not happy for me? Hey! I cannot dance alone. So I said I should come and share the news. Can you imagine? Hey, me. What's wrong with both of you now? I'm happy for you, Jare. I'm happy for you.
Do you believe what that girl was saying?
In every nonsense, there must be sense, so.
I think so.
But what I don't understand is, how will the prince descend too low to that girl?
That's what I'm saying. Now I feel like crying, no. I feel like crying. And you even said, Chinagoro, the palm wine seller, is also in love with the prince. Where do I stand to fight for what rightfully belongs to me? This thing is painful.
Prince, that have gone to many schools, and I've seen a lot of girls, plenty girls. Is what you want to fight for. Look at you, village girl. You're a beautiful girl in this village, oh. As far as you're in this village, the place will not see your beauty. I will advise you to look for a young man in this village that will love you. Omale Cham, you're a fine girl. Look at me now. I am okay. And I'm happy with my obeam. So, look for your happiness. Forget about Prince. Don't go and put your hand where it cannot reach. Don't hang yourself there. Oh? Please, let me go and see my obeam. See you tomorrow.
Okay now. Bye-bye.
You know me already. My name is ASU MOE HIV, special advisor to the prince of this village.
I know.
So let me tell you, the prince, you know Prince now, he plays outside. And Prince likes somebody like you. I'm not watching you. Don't take me as a local champion.
No.
I've been to many countries. I've been to Onitsha. I've been to Port Harcourt. But I've been to, let me not lie, I've been to UK, United States of America. Yeah, UK, United States of America once. Then I found out that white people is used to their color. Like Prince now, you know, Prince was born in America. So America, which is UK. So Prince now don't even like that your friend that is fronting herself. Let me even tell you, that boy, that girl, sometimes I mistakenly, I do call her that boy. He has muscle. He's chepress, and I don't like her color. It's dating color. I used to tell her, but on what again? She doesn't have red lips. She's once a smoker. Yes. And what again? Alakolia. She doesn't have breast, and my prince doesn't. Do you know? Let me tell you, even Dolati, Prince dated Dolati before, so Prince like Allah, like your own Allah is bigger than. Even though that you don't have height in the shorts, but don't bother. Do you know that man at that AK that they deport from Abba that used to wash? He's the one that made this one for me. So that man now will tell him that any shoe that he will make for you now, this height they need to double it like 3. So Kito to know go new prince. Obolas you may kiss your bride, prince. Not a man. Don't bother. But that is where the Lati have a long way for the work on your nash. Whereby they may bomb enlargement. See, let me tell you, all those even all of them that you used to see that used to ask people, I do their enlargement. Just that the time is different. 12 midnight. After everything, I will arrange it to my own system. You have a wake. So let me tell you, because white people like Prince, like white people, so you are his spec. So that is it. Do you see why I like you? Everything in your body is too. Everything now double. See, you have one. Have you seen it? Yes. Even 2 eyes. Some people used to have 1 eye. I have 2.
No, okay, what do I do?
Okwego. See, I am not greedy. I don't collect money in dollars because sometimes dollar late used to confuse me. Local champion and one just forget what I am. Just name Dikeh. 10K. Because even in that 10K, I have to drink akamu because enlargement is still there. Yes, the natural enlargement is still there. Oh, you can happen, man. I've been doing enlargement. I've been sowing seed in people's life, all these girls' life. So.
Okay. Let me just go now, run around then. I'll print the money for you later in the evening.
I don't bank with any bank. I don't trust them.
No,
Small time they will remove charge.
I'll bring cash.
In my room is my microfinance bank in my room.
No problem. Just open your door down.
I don't even have key. I don't even have key.
Okay.
So
thank you.
You don't need to thank me. I want to thank you. Okay? Just thank you. My door is open.
No problem.
My door is what?
It's open.
I'm a cheerful giver.
Thank you.
Yes. I'm like a Bluetooth. I connect to many Nash bumper. So you don't need to look to your Nash. You don't have many. That's my own work. You are paid for it. What is that?
I like that girl.
Which girl?
The palm wine seller. In fact, I love her.
My prince, are you fine? You love a mad girl, a fighter.
Chima, don't ever in your life call her a mad girl again. I will feed your body to the vultures.
Yes, my prince. You are very stupid, my prince. Let me tell you, your real name is Okonkwo. I'm on Kai's video. So let me tell you, I will never support your death, Now take what time, you know.
Chima, do you realize you are talking to the face of this community?
Yes, I'm talking to Ejike Okonkwo.
Mind the words.
I'm working not mind the way because I'm part of his kids and you are telling me every See, let me tell you. You see that guy hit that guy, and I will never support you,
Chima, nobody can stop you. Not even you or the whole village can stop you. Let me tell you, I have the right to take my decision, and my decision is final. Let me tell you, and I have the right to hate anybody. Even I have the right. So I have the right to hate you. That's me. Okay, this case here, Babo to you. That's a neighbor place with your ball leg.
Who ready to find her? She go find you, come. Who ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know they keep quiet, yo. She dey by her right, yo. They walk out your own, they go your own. Make sure they go her own, yo. I'm out to the shop, yo. I'm out to the wow. Strong like man, yo. Everybody just the fear. Which kind girl be this, yo?
Tell the chief cook I want to take a walk with her.
Okay, my prince. My prince, where would you like her to meet you?
Here.
If not cry you want, she go give you cry. Avoid her, make she day her own, yo. Oh. Give her space, she go give you space. Aha.
I'm fine, man. The prince asked you to take a walk with him.
No, I didn't hear you very well.
The prince asked you to take a walk with him.
The prince told you to tell me to take a walk with him.
Yes, ma'am.
So, where is he now?
He's outside, ma'am.
Okay, tell him I'll be with him, so.
Alright.
Keep that thing and go away.
Yes. I want to take a walk with you and ask you some questions as a mother in this palace. Yes.
Okay, my friends.
So tell me, when a man is in love with a girl and the girl is difficult, how do the man go about it?
It depends on the kind of girl you're talking about. If it's a girl that went through hardship and later made money by herself, or a girl that was molested when she was a much younger person, maybe taken advantage of. It all depends on what the prince is talking about.
What do you mean by molested?
Maybe a girl that was taken advantage of as she was growing up, maybe a man abused her. That is what I mean.
So which measure do I take?
If it's a girl that was that made money, maybe she went through hardship and later made money, you can go through her siblings. You can go through her siblings, you know, try to convince her that you really mean well, that you're not a gold digger, something like that. If it is the one that was molested, you go through her friends, because you can, the person can win her trust through her friends by telling her that you mean well. You cannot take advantage, that you are responsible, like that.
I really appreciate. Thank you so much. This is why every family needs a mother.
Are the gods blind to say this? Are the gods heartless to say this? Who ready to find her? She go find you, come. Who ready to beat her? She go beat you first. She know they keep quiet.
I don't want in actually. I'm here for a very important issue. Yes.
I have to go inside though.
Bam. I don't want bia.
I thought you said you wanted to discuss something with my mother.
Don't worry. I came here because of
You want Pami? I can supply you 100 kegs of it.
I came here for a serious issue, and it's all about our daughter, the prince. Like your daughter.
Yes, I know. But you know, this kind. Yeah.
And not only that, you like her. You want to marry your daughter.
I know the prince wants to marry my daughter, but
there is no but. There is no but. Just consider.
Uncle, see, I'll be very, very truthful with you. There's absolutely nothing to consider here. I don't want to marry the prince. I'm not in love with him. Oh wow.
My daughter, marrying the prince will be a blessing to this family.